Hey guys, this is Lucas.
It's Mary.
And welcome for again a new episode. So today we're staying in Phnom Penh, and actually it's an episode which is going to be like on 2 days. So let's say differently. Tonight we are going to do like a boat ride. One of the boat ride you can do in Phnom Penh, which is very nice. And this is like some kind of attractions which you can do, animation you can do when you will be in Phnom Penh. And tomorrow we've been selected for to be like shooting, video shooting and picture shooting. We don't know yet it's gonna be videos or pictures, maybe both. So anyway, it's a condo, and they're like trying to sell the condos, and they called us to ask if we could play like a young couple with kids. So it's a first experience for me and for Marie. So we think it's going to be a lot of fun, but more especially we are going to try to show you during the shooting how it is and how it looks like, and we hope you will enjoy it. So right now we leave you with the boat ride and a little view of the shore. All right, have a good episode.
Morning. So this morning we're going to do the photo shoot and the video as well, and I'm kind of nervous, and we're going to meet our kid because I'm going to be a mommy. He's going to be a daddy. Before the shooting yesterday, the casting director asked us to show lots of outfits, and I showed maybe 4 outfits. So she chose the one that I wore, the skirt and a mini top. And then she chose the one that Lucas was wearing yesterday. And but his part was mostly in the pool. My part was mostly sitting and talking with them. It was so fun, and it was kind of good experience and exciting.
So on Sunday we went there. We drove over there. So it was in a condo which is located at the other side of the city. It was a little bit far, but the place was very, very nice. And when we got there, first we had to wait maybe for 1 hour in a place, and they were like shooting another scene, so it was not for us. So we were just waiting in another room. And after 1 hour, she came and she said, "Okay, now guys, this is your scene. You gotta go." No. So we said, "Okay, let's go." So we went by the pool, and then she looked at me and said, "Oh, you go in the water. You don't need your outfit. Just wear like something for the water." So I went in the water, and Mary, who was playing my wife, she had to stay in a teepee. And we had like a child which was clearly not mixed. I think it was totally Khmer. But they say, "Yeah, this is going to be your child." And I was like, "Okay." So what do we do? I say, "Oh, you play with him by the pool, and this is it. Like Mary is sitting there looking at you, and you are in the pool and you're playing with the kids." So this is what we did for maybe 30 minutes, 45 minutes, I think. And after that was it. Like end of the shooting, say, "Oh, okay, thank you. This is it for you. You can go." And so we just left. The pay was not bad, and it was $35 for half a day, so nothing to complain on that side. And if we have more opportunities, I think we will clearly try to do more, because it was like easy and quite fun to do.
Thank you guys for watching. See you later.